Are you a pizza lover? Do you want to have pizza without the guilt of gaining weight? I got the perfect recipe for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Crazy for Health with me, Maida. Today I'll be showing you one of my personal favorite recipes, that is omelette pizza. This pizza is really delicious and is very easy to make. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any future updates with me. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
For this pizza, we'll be taking 6 eggs to make the pizza base. Now in a bowl, I'll be adding 3 whole eggs and 3 egg whites, because too much of egg yolks should not be consumed. You can also use an egg separator to separate the white from the egg. Once done, I'll be adding in some coriander leaves, finely chopped, 1 small green chilli finely chopped, half a teaspoon of black salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now with the help of a whisk or a fork, whisk the eggs mixture well. Now in a pan, I'm adding half a teaspoon of Nutralite spread. You can also use any butter or oil of your choice. Spread the butter evenly on the pan. And now pour in the egg mixture. Turn the flame to low heat. Now we'll be pushing in the mixture towards the center of the pan. This will help the omelette in becoming fluffy and thick. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, we'll be flipping over the omelette with the help of a pan, since it's difficult for the spatula to hold the weight. Now I'll be applying 2 teaspoons of pizza sauce on top of it. You can use any pasta or pizza sauce that's available. Now I'll be adding half an onion finely sliced, next I'll be topping in some capsicums finely sliced, and half a tomato deseeded finely sliced. You can also use mushrooms, black olives, etc. Now add in some salt, little bit of pepper. Now I'll be adding 2 cheese cubes grated and cook for about 1 minute. Once done, the pizza is ready. Take it out on a flat plate and cut it evenly with a pizza cutter. Now I'm finishing it off with some Italian seasoning. You can use oregano, chili flakes as per your choice. Guys, if you're having this pizza on a regular basis, please limit the amount of cheese. Enjoy the pizza on a daily basis. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.